How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And if you want to use a VPN connection but are trying to avoid the hassle of setting up your VPN application on every device, instead using your VPN on a router is actually a great option. Because some VPNs such as Express and Nord will only limit you to 5 to 6 devices per subscription, while Surfshark will also allow you to secure an unlimited number of devices per subscription. Maybe you want to use Nord or Express VPN. Now, I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs that have narrowed it down to these three as the best overall for privacy, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security features. They all vary in budgets and features, so pick and choose depending on your own situation. Now, when you connect your VPN to your Eero secure router, you'll be able to encrypt your Wi-Fi traffic on your devices without limit and without the process of device-by-device setup. The best VPNs for Eero routers can help secure your network so your Wi-Fi traffic is encrypted and your identity online remains private. Using a VPN with your router is about more than security, though. Top VPNs can also help you get through geoblocks by letting you spoof your location, giving you access to a network of VPN servers around the globe. Now, these are my 3 recommendations. You've got Express, Nord, and Surfshark. I would recommend ExpressVPN as the best option because it has the easiest and most optimized router application that you can find in the business. NordVPN will be a great option if you're looking for extra features here and there. And Surfshark will be the best budget option if you would like to get the job done at the cheapest possible cost. But I would definitely recommend checking out the reviews below if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policies, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And you'll find links to pricing discounts if you'd like to jump straight to those. Either way, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.